This video demonstrates how to buy shares of DraftKings Inc., ticker DKNG, listed on NASDAQ, and gives a quick overview of the company as a digital sports entertainment and sports betting platform. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your wallet before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DKNG to locate DraftKings Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name to ensure it's the right stock. Open the stocks page to review basic company information and a price chart so you can confirm you're on the correct NASDAQ DKNG listing. Check the company name and ticker again before moving on. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details such as order type and estimated costs before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when markets reopen, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Soft CTA. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow these steps.